Hi, I'm Pat.
And I'm Liz. And we're your YK Tech team.
So today we're talking about how to do your own self-install with your YK router.
I'm sure folks have a lot of questions about this one, Pat. Like, how does a self-install work? Can I do it if I'm not tech savvy? What are the benefits? Also, do you think low-rise jeans are coming back?
Okay, slow down. That's a lot of questions. And I can answer most of them, but honestly, I prefer mom jeans.
Well, let's get to it. Tell me about the self-installation process.
It's a really simple process. If you're already a YK customer, you just give us a call and we'll let you know if you're eligible for an upgrade. We'll pre-program the router for you and you can come pick it up and take it home and do the install yourself.
Pick up YK router. Got it. Milk, 3 avocados, bread.
And while you're at the store, tech support will actually come out and show you how to set up the router once you get home. But if you run into any trouble, don't worry. You can give the office a call and the same technician will reach out to you and they'll walk you through any troubleshooting. Then they'll let NetOps know that everything's installed and they can confirm that everything's working.
Okay, cool. Wait just a second. They're calling me now. Hello? Hey Liz, this is Liz at YK. I was just calling to check and see how your router was working. It's good. Everything works perfect, Liz. Thanks. No problem, Liz. You're awesome, Liz.
Hey, we get it, all right? Stop talking to yourself already.
Sorry, Liz. I gotta go. Pat's being a real pill again. I hear you, girl. Okay, so what's next? Do I have to get a new Wi-Fi password for the new router?
So actually we'll pre-program the router with your current Wi-Fi name and password. It makes it super easy to install. Also, once you get home, you can scan the QR code on the bottom of the router into our Command IQ app. This allows you to have full control over your router. You can change the name of your network, you can change your password, you can even block your kids' devices.
So hold on, am I just doing work for YK? Can't your guys come out and install it? I'm a busy gal. You should know this.
Yeah, sure. But we can install it for you. It's just most customers prefer the streamlined approach of having a pre-programmed router ready for them in the office. They just come pick it up and install it themselves. No muss, no fuss.
That sounds great, but what I was thinking...
Hey, 1 second, I'm getting a phone call. Go for Pat. Hey, Bronado, we still on for pizza and wings tonight? Absolutely, bro, Chacho. Hey, man, how's your mom doing, by the way?
Where was my invite?
Thanks for watching, and we hope we earned a subscribe and follow. YK Communications offers 24/7 tech support. Just give us a call at 361-771-3334, extension 660.